Three forces act at point A. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. So this one acts directly upwards, this one directly to the left. So what I'm going to do is do something called resolving on this force here. This force can be replaced by a force acting directly to the right and another force acting directly down. And this is just a right-angled triangle with this angle here. This would be, and the hypotenuse is 6 of course, so this one would be 6 cos 30, cos because this is the adjacent, and this would be 6 sine 30, which is actually just equal to 3. And I know that cos 30 is root 3 over 2, so this one is 3 root 3. Now, they're not always nice angles like that. You might not be able to do that straight away, and you might need to leave it in terms of the angle. So in this direction, or horizontal at least, we have got 5 take away 3 root 3. And actually, let's just make it clear, that would be acting to the left. And then upwards, we've got just 8 take away 3. So what we actually have as a resultant vector is 5 minus 3 root 3 this way and 5 this way. It's a right angled triangle, and what we want is R, and we call this theta. That would enable us to give the direction. So for R, just going to use Pythagoras' theorem. So it's just going to be the square root of 5 squared plus 5 minus 3 root 3 squared. And let's see what that comes out to. So we just need to calculate that. So we have the square root of 5 squared add 5 take away 3 root 3 and that seems to be outside squared. And that gives me 5.00, so I'm going to call it 5.00. And then we need the angle theta, and this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. So theta is going to be the inverse tangent of 5 over 5 take away 3 root 3. I think this is going to be quite close to 90, judging by this. So inverse tan 5 over 5 minus 3 root 3. That is 87.8 degrees. And it was minus. Let's just do the 5 take away 3 root 3 for a second. So, in actual fact, that's going to act slightly that way. The 3 root 3 is slightly bigger, so it's going to go in this sort of direction. So, in order to describe that, let's just draw a quick diagram. So it's actually going to go that sort of way. I've drawn it this way, but actually my triangle is that way. That's what that's showing. And that's 87.8 degrees. And the diagram shows it better than writing out a sentence in English, so that's all good.